Welcome DP Sogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever feel like you're drowning in data but can't quite tell what it's worth? Or worse, why you made that decision? We're talking about the chaos of scattered files and fleeting conversations. What if there was a way to make sense of it all? So what is this DIKWP IntentValue LedgerOS thing? Think of it as a super smart, offline-ready toolkit, basically a GitHub project you can actually use. Its secret sauce is the WP mesh, data of information, knowledge, wisdom, intent. It's not just jargon, it's a framework that connects everything. Your raw data, your insights, the knowledge you build, the wisdom you gain, and crucially, the intent driving your actions. This system takes all those messy bits, documents, AI outputs, personal goals, review notes, and weaves them into one understandable, discussable, and revisable workbench. It's not here to replace your brilliant human brain or your legal team. No, its power is in making the invisible visible, showing where evidence came from, how assumptions were formed, and why decisions were made. It keeps everything in context, so no more lost in translation moments. Okay, so why should you care? Because this changes how we handle complex, intent-driven work. First, it builds an evidence mesh. Instead of isolated files, you get a web where everything relates to everything else. Reviewers can see the whole picture, what's known, what's inferred, what's uncertain, and what's next. Second, it makes AI work auditable. Those helpful suggestions from models. They're tracked as assistive traces, not hidden answers. You compare versions, revise assumptions, and document why you accepted or rejected something. Transparency, baby. Third, it fosters real collaboration. Different roles, data teams, platform ops, content owners, auditors can work on the same evidence base, add comments, assign tasks, and keep the conversation flowing. It turns a one-off project into a reusable workspace for learning and governance. The payoff? Clearer decisions, better accountability, and less guesswork. Let's peek under the hood. How does this magic happen? It starts simple. Gather your stuff, source documents, user goals, constraints, task records. Then the system uses that DWP mesh to organize it, creating an initial evidence file and highlighting key questions for review. From there, you generate plans, drafts, comparison views, whatever fits your scenario. Now comes the crucial part. Reviewers step in. They examine the evidence, add their comments, correct assumptions, and most importantly, record the reasoning behind each decision or revision. And this isn't a one-time thing. In continuous use, every input, update, feedback item, and review result gets added to an expandable record. It grows richer over time, becoming a living history of the evaluation process. Simple steps, powerful outcome. So who benefits from this? Pretty much anyone wrestling with complex data value assessments. Data asset teams get clearer ways to evaluate value. Platform operators find smoother governance. Content owners ensure their outputs align with intent. AI service designers can build auditable workflows. And auditor and researchers, they get transparent evidence trails. Essentially, anyone needing to track intent, evidence, and decisions in a collaborative, evolving project. It's about bringing clarity and accountability to the messy world of data value.